Want to share something really tasty from your kitchen this holiday? Food host Charmaine Broughton has 3 delicious gift ideas. Hello.
Good morning. How are you?
Very good. Now, are all 3 of these from your new cookbook she plugged?
They are. I have a whole chapter in my new cookbook, Delicious and Doable, dedicated to homemade gifts from the kitchen. So whether it's for the holidays, which are coming up, or maybe a grandparent's birthday, or whatever it may be, I encourage, whether it's yourself or you can grab your kids, get on into the kitchen, roll up your sleeves, get a little bit messy, and give a gift from the kitchen and the heart, because it's homemade.
I love that. So what are we starting with?
Okay, we are going to start with my double-decker gingerbread fudge. I chose the wrong day to skip the gym this morning. I'll do jumping jacks here. So all of my whole book really focuses on using ingredients that are pantry staples. So if you have all the ingredients to make gingerbread cookies, then you really just need to purchase a couple of other items. One being sweetened condensed milk, a couple of cans of sweetened condensed milk, so you can keep them in your pantry for your holiday baking. You're going to melt down some bittersweet chocolate with the sweetened condensed milk, pour it into a 8-inch square baking pan, let that chill, and then you're going to do the gingerbread layer, which is melted white chocolate with a can of sweetened condensed milk, a little bit of molasses that you'll have anyhow because you're making those gingerbread cookies, and then some spices that I guarantee you already have in your pantry. Layer it all up, let it chill, and you've got these gorgeous, beautiful pieces of fudge.
Oh man, I so wish you were in studio right now because I love gingerbread and I love fudge. Oh, okay.
Well,
good excuse to get your book.
I wish I was there too, because now I'm gonna be left eating it all.
Or cut them into smaller pieces, right? You'll be fine.
That's right. Okay, so from the gingerbread fudge to the easiest homemade gift from the kitchen you can imagine. So what I encourage people to do is, go into your recycling. If you've got some old jam jars or mason jars, these are like tahini jars, rinse them all out, wash them, fill them with sugar, and maybe do like 6 or 8 of them so you have them ready to go. Then you're going to take a vanilla bean, all right? Then what I like to do is cut it in about 1 vanilla bean. You can cut into about 4 pieces.
Okay.
And put that little piece right into each jar. Put your lid on it. And then what I like to do, just to keep it super easy, I have like a holiday cocktail napkin. You put this on top with a nice little piece of ribbon, right? So I've got one finished here. And you've got this homemade vanilla sugar. And it's absolutely amazing because literally within like 48 hours, the sugar takes on the flavor of the vanilla. So whoever you're giving it to can stir it into their coffee, tea, use it for baking. And then you've got them ready to go. Like if you do this now, come the holidays, if you're running out somewhere and you want to give someone something, you've got this great economical gift from the kitchen using like nothing but pantry staple items.
I love that. A good idea to save your jars then and the lids that go with them, right?
Yeah, so, it's environmentally friendly as well as, saving yourself a little bit of money and giving a gift from the heart as well. And let me tell you, the vanilla sugar, it's just when whoever you're giving it to opens up the jar, the whole room will just smell like vanilla. It's really quite amazing.
Love that idea. Okay, and then you've got a bark that you're making.
I do. So this is my peanut, dried fruit, and rosemary bark. And if you've never had the combination of dark chocolate and rosemary together, it's absolutely fabulous. So what you're going to do is, you're going to take those pantry staple items, some peanuts, some dried cranberries or cherries, a little bit of cayenne pepper, believe it or not, and then the chopped fresh rosemary. Stir all that together, and then you're going to measure out about 1/3 of a cup, and then we're going to stir all those pantry staples with our melted dark chocolate. I like to use a 70% dark chocolate. It works really well with the cayenne pepper and the rosemary. Put that onto your baking sheet, top it with the reserved nuts and fruit with some sea salt. So you get that, the hit of the heat and the rosemary and the salt and the dark chocolate. Break it into pieces, just like this. And then, you can pop it into your little candy bags that you can get at bulk food stores, dollar stores, or craft stores. You know, they've even got these little gingerbread houses.
Yeah, what a great idea.
This bark is.
And just quickly, if there's a peanut allergy, you could put like almonds or any other nut in there, right?
Absolutely, or you could leave the nuts out as well.
Okay. Oh, some great ideas. So delicious. Love that vanilla sugar. Charmaine, we'll get on our website, chch.com, all the links to get that book.
Wonderful. Happy holidays, everyone.
Happy holidays to you as well.
Holiday gifts from your kitchening.